Hey, everyone. Let me ask you something. How safe do you really feel when you're online? With all the news about data breaches, hacked accounts, and online scams, it's easy to feel vulnerable, right? Maybe you've even experienced something like this. Your social media account was hacked, or you received a suspicious email that almost tricked you into sharing your personal information. These threats are real, and they're happening every day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 cybersecurity tips that will help you protect yourself online. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use strong and unique passwords. First up, let's talk about passwords. If you're using simple, easy-to-guess passwords like 1234, or even worse, the same password for all your accounts, you're making it way too easy for hackers. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long, including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. For example, instead of using password 123, try to create your password with symbols, character, and numbers like cyber@000, which is much harder to crack, right? I had a friend who used the same password for everything, and when one of his accounts got hacked, it was like a domino effect. All his accounts were compromised. Don't let that happen to you. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. Tip 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Even with strong passwords, it's possible for hackers to gain access to your accounts. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes in. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. Imagine waking up to find that someone has tried to log into your bank account. With 2FA enabled, even if they guessed your password, they'd still need that code to get in. This simple step can make a huge difference in keeping your accounts secure. Tip 4. Keep your software updated. Software update means that the company correct the vulnerabilities in previous software and adding some new features. I know someone who didn't update their software for months, and it ended up costing them. Their computer got infected with malware that could have been easily prevented if they had just installed the latest update. Tip 4. Not connect with random Wi-Fi network. Connecting to unknown Wi-Fi networks can expose your data to hackers. For instance, a traveler at an airport connected to a free Wi-Fi network, thinking it was official. Instead, it was a rogue hotspot set up by a cybercriminal, allowing them to steal sensitive information like bank details. To stay safe, only connect to trusted networks, verify their legitimacy, and use a VPN to encrypt your connection on public Wi-Fi. So there you have it, my top 5 cybersecurity tips to help you stay safe online. If you've ever felt vulnerable or worried about your online security, these tips will give you the protection you need. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying secure in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.